Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the message failed to send in Claude AI 2026. If Claude shows message failed to send, it can stop your work instantly. And in 2026, this error usually is caused by network instability, session problems, or request limits. The good news is that it's an easy fix to fix once you know what you do. Now, as you can see, this is the error you might be encountering. It says error sending message, an unknown error has occurred, and it tells you to dismiss. The first thing you want to do is to check your internet connection. Now, Cloud needs a stable connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data by dropping down this bar right here, and you can choose the one that is faster and more reliable, or you can even turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to refresh the network settings. If that doesn't work, try refreshing or restarting. Refresh the page on desktop or fully close and then you open the app on mobile just like this. Open the recent app tab, then you're gonna relaunch the Cloud AI app again and see if it works. If it doesn't, you're gonna shorten your message. Very long prompts can fail, so break your message into smaller parts and send one task at a time. You can also try to log out and log back in. You can click on this left side right here and click on the gear icon in the bottom here to open the settings. And you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the logout option, which is written in red. You're going to click on logout and then you're going to log out and log back in with your account's credentials. This resets your session and clears message errors. Now the message failed to send error is almost always temporary. After stabilizing your connection and refreshing your session, Claude should send messages normally again. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.